Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to notch a tube, easy method. Start by measuring the intersection and marking the cut line clearly, then choose a hole saw or tubing notcher that matches the tube diameter. Secure the tube in a vise or clamp to stop rotation, and use slow, steady pressure while cutting. Deburr the notch with a file and test, fit the joint before final welding or assembly to ensure a snug fit. Gather the right tools before you start to make the job smoother and safer. A hole saw or tubing notcher gives the best round cuts, while calipers and a permanent marker help with precise layout lines. Clamp the tube solidly to prevent movement, and keep a file or deburring tool handy to clean the edge. Take your time with each step to avoid mistakes and get a perfect fit for welding or assembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical how to content. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading plans and keeping reference manuals handy while you work, and it's light enough to carry to the shop. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position the tube so the mark aligns with the cutting bit and start the saw at low speed to establish the notch without wandering. Maintain steady pressure and pause to clear metal chips and cool the bit. This creates a cleaner edge and extends tool life. If the fit is tight, remove small amounts with a file rather than overcutting. Repeat fitting until the joint is snug and ready for final welding or fastening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.